If you have an electric blanket with the error code L as in Larry or LO, Larry Oscar, then I'm here to help you fix that problem. That usually means low power. So the good thing about it is usually it's not the blanket itself that has the issue. It's the controller or the controller panel's electrical cord. So what I want you to do is check the connection to the blanket. Make sure that it's firmly snugged in. Next thing I want you to do is check the power outlet itself, where it's being plugged into. If you have it on any extension cords or it's not directly connected to the wall, try to connect it directly to the wall. And you might want to try a different outlet altogether if you have another one in the room that you can plug it into. And just see how much electricity you have plugged in. You might want to reset the outlet. In order to do that, it's just to pop that little button that's sometimes between these two outlets, turn it on and turn it off. You might want to go to the circuit board in your house or your apartment and trip it, turn it off, and then turn it back on, and then plug it in. Now, next thing to do is just to do a reset on the electric blanket. In order to reset it, only thing you have to do is unplug it from the wall for about 20 or 30 minutes, and then plug it back in. And resetting it might fix the problem. But again, it's usually the electrical cord that's going to the electric blanket, not the blanket itself. All in all, it could be the actual power adapter here, the electrical control. Look for the model number and see if you can replace just this and not the blanket. And usually you can on eBay or Amazon, and that could be the issue. Put in the comment section what brand of electric blanket that you got. Do you have a Canon? Do you have a Sunbeam? What do you have? Also, too, if it's an older blanket, you might as well toss it, but most likely, if you got the LO error code, it's not that old of a blanket. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.